I filed 37 odd RTI requests with central government, state governments, and union territory administrations across the country. Why? There are two reasons for that. The first one, of course, is what the RTIs are about drones. The Haryana police dropped tear gas bombs with drones on protesters who were trying to reach Delhi. And then the Haryana police also made an announcement saying that CCTV camera footage and drone footage में जो लोग law violate करते हुए पकड़े गए हैं उनके passports और visas भी cancel किए जाएंगे और they're going to start that procedure as well. So this clearly has quite a bit of constitutional impact, the introduction of this technology. And it definitely counts for surveillance, which I mean, of course, I have some history of opinions about. So I wanted to know what kind of infrastructure they have to police us with, which pertains to drones or UAVs, which is why I asked all of them. So far, we have answers worth showing from two states, Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Himachal Pradesh has about 31 drones and they've spent a little over 5 crores on them. And Gujarat has about 29 drones and they've spent 4.45 crores on them. There is a Dropbox link in my bio which can show you the invoices, the bidding documents, everything that I have received so far. The second reason, which is significantly more pressing, because मामला थोड़ा legal है. Jarring transition time because I corrupted the file while copying them into my computer. Shut up. Anyway, so on 20th March 2023, the Supreme Court directed all high courts, state governments, union territory administrations, and so on and so forth to make a portal for their RTI registration of the citizens so that citizens like you and me can have zero trouble while registering our RTIs and don't have to leave the house for it. However, I have identified that at least 10 administrations out of 36 have not complied with this order, which is why I made nagrikproject.in. And nagrikproject.in connects all of these websites in one place. States that have not made an RTI website, I have sent them a letter, and that letter is what you can see once you click on some of the states that have not made an RTI portal. So if you want to go to the website of the union government to see the RTI portal that they have, you can click on Chandigarh or Puducherry because they're linked to those, or you could just type www.rtionline.gov.in and it'll take you there. The reason this website is important is because we need to strengthen our RTI portal and online infrastructure so that citizens have access. Even the portals that exist are not perfect. For example, Maharashtra charges 6 rupees transaction fees to file an RTI that costs 10 rupees. Essentially 60% over the cost of the original RTI application. This is not necessary, and there are several ones that I haven't gone into the detail of currently. Find all of those on the website as well. Now, making this website costs money and my time, like a day. And all this research also took me months. I filed the first RTI on the 25th of February and I've been on a spree since. And I would like to get to the bottom of this and get answers from all the states. Also, I would like to grow this website into something that can, look at the RTI infrastructure and perfect it in such a way that citizens like you and I don't have a problem. So uske liye lagta hai, I have a buymeacoffee.com, a buymeacoffee.com/asifknowyou, and you can, buy me a coffee, contribute to my cause, and I will keep making the content that I make for you, and I will put that money into building this website. I already am at a loss of the hosting costs, the domain parking cost, and whatever amount of time that I put into it. And I eventually I'm gonna have to do this work for money, or it's not gonna pay my bills. So please.
आवाज नेहमी माझा खणखणीत तरी श्रेयस बोलतो जरा कमीच म्हणून नशीब आवाज नेहमी माझा खणखणीत तरी श्रेयस बोलतो जरा कमीच म्हणून